girl Sarah Lee, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a home decor video. I haven't been on here in such a long time, you guys. It kind of feels weird being in front of the camera, and especially because I'm doing something different. I'm talking about home decor. So I wanted to come to you guys and tell you about this sideboard or credenza or TV stand, whatever you want to call it, you guys, that I got from Walmart. It is the Juliet. Let me go to the listing now. And I also want to see if it's in stock. This is the Better Homes and Gardens. This is the Better Homes and Garden This is the Better Homes and Garden Juliet Art TV stand. It's 65 inches, and I believe it's out of stock. But I also believe that I think that it's about 30 inches tall, which I was looking for something, yeah. So the height is 30 inches tall, and it's actually 60 inches long. So it's very beautiful. I feel like it looks a little bit better in person. The way I have it organized and set up, decorated, all of that is not how I'm actually going to decorate it. I just used some things that I had to decorate it. So if you guys can see, this is what the TV stand looks like. And then I'm going to show you guys footage and B-roll of the TV stand. Y'all, my boyfriend put the TV stand together. It took him about an hour to do so. Okay, you guys, so this is the sideboard table, TV stand, credenza, whatever you want to call it. It is 60 inches long and about 30 inches tall. I'm letting you guys see the natural light. I currently have my door open, and I also have the window behind me. This is not how I'm actually going to decorate it. This is just me using what I have until I get the things that I want. So this is what the doors look like, you guys. And then I'm gonna open them. They do have soft clothing. It is soft closing doors, you guys. This is what the inside of the cabinet looks like. And then I wouldn't have both of these open at the same time because they kind of do like run into each other. But I just wanted to show you guys, if you guys wanted to know how I decorated it at the moment, that I would come to you guys and tell you guys. So these two decor pieces over here come from TJ Maxx. These two candles also, no, they come from Big Lots. I have a photo of my grandmother here, God rest her soul. I miss her every day. This gold, I don't know what it's called, tray or whatever, comes from Big Lots. And that also comes from TJ Maxx. I just spray painted it from pink to white. And then these two flowers come from my mother house. So I did pay about $198. I thought I had something on there. I did pay $190 for this TV stand. I did have $15, so I did have $15 in Walmart cash. So they took off the $15, so I ended up still paying like $190 something plus tax. So yeah, it did come with a little strip that my friend guy says goes across here. I didn't like that, so I didn't put that on. And of course, I've ordered the cord hider to hide the cord of the TV. So this is what we're looking like, you guys. Leave your decoration ideas down below. I want to do like a decorate with me type of video. It might be on my YouTube shorts, I don't know, depending on how I edit everything or how much footage and everything that I have. But I originally had recorded this part of the video on my camera, but it was super duper dark, and I wanted to kind of show you guys what it looked like in the natural lighting. So let me kind of change a little bit as well so you guys can see it from a different angle. And yeah, and he only needed my help when I was you know, holding the doors, because you know, you have to screw it in and the doors have to be steady. So yeah, so you can definitely put it together by yourself. I just wanted to help. I wanted to insert myself. He didn't want me to help, but I still was trying to help. And you know, I was passing him the stuff, you know, but like I didn't think to record because it was actually our second day like hanging out, and I didn't want to be weird and pull my camera out and all of that. But yeah, so I think that this is a really great deal if you can get your hands on it. The brown stays in stock, as I'll show you guys what the brown looks like. So the black is out of stock. This is what the brown looks like. If you guys are into brown, then or you have like that boho feel in your home, then you would really like the brown. But you guys know I love my blacks. I love, y'all, black and white. That's my aesthetic, and I'm sticking to it. That's my aesthetic. I love it. Anytime I try to bring in any or incorporate any other type of colors in my home, I hate it. My bathroom is blue and it's driving me crazy. Like, I'm gonna be redoing that soon. I want to say thank you guys for still being here and watching my videos and still supporting me. I know I'm not as consistent as I really should be, but your girl is working on that, you guys. I'm in the lab. I'm curating some things. I'm getting things right, because on this channel, y'all, it's gonna be great vibes. It's gonna be a little bit of everything that, you know, I'm into. I'm into fashion, makeup. I'm into home decor. Like, I really want to show you guys my artistic side, because I feel like I'm multifaceted. So I just want to show you guys, you know, different areas of my life, and, you know, have you guys come along for the journey. So yeah, one thing that I will say about the TV stand is that it is very heavy. When they dropped it off outside, y'all, it was like heavy. Like, it was like 10 pounds, 10, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, 40 pounds. I don't know, y'all, it was heavy as hell. And so right now I might have like some footage of it, like before my boyfriend hooked up his Xbox and everything. But I might have some footage on my phone of how I decorated it and everything, and what I put in the cabinets. Now, I like the cabinets because the cabinets are, you know, soft closing, and I like that feature. I don't like to hear things slam all the time. Like, I don't like slamming doors and things like that, so I like that about it. It does come with a little strip that goes on the back. I didn't want that. It wasn't like aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, it also has like a matching cabinet, like arched cabinet, that's out of stock as well. I will show you guys what that looks like. I'll just have that on the screen right here so you guys can see. And it really reminds me of the cabinet that Brooke Kennedy bought, but I think she may have got hers from Sam's, if I'm not mistaken, because Sam's does have a similar cabinet for way more than what they're selling it for on Walmart, which I might shouldn't have mentioned that, because I need to get my hands on that ASAP. But y'all, like, I'm just falling in love more and more with home decor, smell good stuff, candles. I love to clean my house, y'all. I'm going to show you guys like some cleaning videos, some Sunday resets. Y'all, stick around, because I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys me in my authentic form. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to stay sweet, and I'll see you guys in the next one.